Join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our paws. La 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 la.
Who's in the barnyard? Come take a peek. So many animals playing hide and seek. The cows go moo, 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 grazing the grass in the morning dew. The pigs go oink, 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 rolling in mud, having a joyful boink. The horses go neigh, 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 galloping freely all through the day. The ducks go quack, 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 splashing in puddles, then sliding back. The chickens go cluck, 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 pecking the corn with a little pluck. The sheep go ba, 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 hopping and running near and far. The goats go bleat, 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 climbing on rocks with tiny feet. The roosters crow, cock-a-doodle-doo, waken the barnyard with a morning view. All the animals laugh and play, dancing and singing throughout the day. Who's in the barnyard now you know? Come join the fun, let's start the show. Pecking the corn with a little pluck. The sheep go ba, ah, ah. Hey! The sheep go ba, ah, ba, hopping and running near and far. The goats go bleat, 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 climbing on rocks with tiny feet. The roosters crow, cock-a-doodle-doo, waken the barnyard with a morning